This goes out to a girl that I love. First YouTube video. There's days I wish I could get that last kiss before saying goodbye. Last memories fade away in your beautiful lines. I can no longer sing because you're so far around. I lost my one-way ticket and you were the only route. I'm looking at the clock. How come tears? I'm so filled with shock, but there's no one there. Out comes the rain. I've been hit by a train. My heart flew out the window. Now I have no soul. I fell so down, I fell down. The whole soul darkens round. No more music to sound. I've been earthbound, tied to a leash like a bloodhound. The suffering screams inside of me are so loud. If I see you in a crowd, I would travel to you and we could live in a cloud. All I can even ask now is to see your face or a kiss, even a hug, everything that I miss. There's days I wish I could get that last kiss before saying goodbye. The last memories fade away in your beautiful eyes. I can no longer sing 'cause you're so far out. I lost my one-way ticket and you were the only route. I'm looking at the clock. How come tears so filled with shock, but there's no one there. All the memories fade back into me, and you started like a scene. My heart started to bleed, 'cause baby, it was you I couldn't say goodbye to, baby. I needed you here now. I didn't know how to contact you. I didn't know how. I thought you were long gone till I told you I would be here through my previous song. Let it be shown, let it be known, you're my girl, my whole world. is only 3 out of the songs I'm going to sing, because every day you give me the happiness love brings.